You going night night? You going night night in IKEA? You take your shoes off and your socks.
Give her the IKEA blanket that's for sale down there.
Where's the IKEA blanket that's for sale? Oh, there it is. Oh, here you go.
Oh, she can't have them in bed. She got them under the bed.
You gotta put them on the floor. Yeah, she's a sleepy girl. She just got out of
Okay, lay down, baby.
Great Wolf Lodge.
They don't open until you pay for it.
Yeah, put your feet in it and lay down.
Where are the restrooms? You'll find restrooms at the front lobby and to the store, and by the restaurant on the second floor. As with all our facilities here at IKEA, the restrooms are wheelchair accessible.
What are you doing, honey? You gonna lay down on a pillow by your wolf. Where's your wolf?
Get up there on your pillow. Get up on your pillow.
You was going to bed in IKEA and now you're not.
Don't play with that. That's so serious. That's gonna be nice for her.
Mm-hmm.
That's food. No, that's food.
You want to go get in a different bed, or you want to get your socks and shoes back on?
Alright, let's put your socks and shoes back on.